Now what I'm about to tell you guys, something personal. I really don't open up like that on YouTube or, you know, about my personal life. Let me talk to you guys about blonde bristle brushes. Now, what I'm about to show you guys, it may be not sanitary. The word nasty comes to mind. The word dirty also comes to my mind, but I'm being too real right now, so maybe I should just show you guys what the heck I'm talking about. So you guys are probably thinking like, Jeezy, what are you talking about? What's going on? You see this brush right here? This brush right here, nothing too wrong with this brush, huh? Nothing too wrong with this brush, huh? It's like, Jeezy, I mean, you're good. Thank you for sticking up for me. I appreciate it, but everybody in the comment section, please be quiet, okay? Save yourselves. You know what I mean? Don't, just please. I know you're looking out for me. I just need you guys to just keep it on the low. Keep it down, okay? Keep it on the low. So I just like blonde bristle brushes, you guys. And you guys can see I've been going in the paint chip. I go in with my brushes. I use them. I don't baby my brushes. I put in work. So recently I decided to buy a new one. This is the new one. As you can see, the color is different. Okay, the color is different, more vibrant. I bought the brush and you know, I'm a workhorse, so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put in work. But the thing that I'm trying to tell you guys is I bought 3 more brushes of the same. Okay, as it came in the mail, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now. Okay, so these brushes right here, I got them off of Amazon, the Torino Pro Curve brushes. And you know, I still was brushing with my other brush. And as I got these in, I noticed something real foul. Bruh. Yeah.
Oh!
Yes, I mean, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. I know I don't clean my brushes, but I got another brush though, and I got another one. Don't judge me because I ain't willing to wash my brushes. I bought 3 more. Let me take them out of the package so you can really see how nasty it is. I'm a little embarrassed to show you guys. So this brush right here is the new brush Untouched DS, okay? Dead stock. Don't be like me, wash your brushes. The reason why I don't wash it, to be honest with you guys, because it takes too long to dry. Okay, you gotta wait till the next day. Okay, I ain't got time for that, okay? I'm a grinder, okay? I'm a grinder. I'm not making up excuses. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. I'm not making up excuses. I am a grinder. I work hard, okay? I work hard. Don't do me like that. I go in, okay? I don't be doing just 30-minute brush sessions. I go for an hour, okay? I go for a long time. Don't know. Okay, if you're out there, you're doing 15 minutes, okay, your brush is gonna look new. Okay, but mine, okay, don't do me like that. Okay, I goes in. I don't care what you gotta say. Say what you gotta say. I don't care. I don't care. At this point, do it. Do it. Say what you want, okay? You too. What's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Let me put this brush right back here because I need to save it when it really gets ugly. You know what I mean? When it really gets bad. And I know some of you guys are like, Jeezy, it's already bad, dude. Use the brush. No. Still hope for that other brush, okay? Still hope. In this video right here, I cut my hair to a 1.5. I'm gonna show you guys my waves, what it looks like. Now, this is like 2 days after I got it cut, so line may not be as fresh, but the length of my hair is still 1.5-ish. So let's get into it. HustleDreamProduction. So this is how my waves are looking. I like the way that my waves look wider at shorter length. You know what I mean? Especially at a 1.5. My waves is looking a little wider than if it was when I was woofing. You know what I mean? So that's the main reason why I like keeping it at a 1.5, especially in the summertime. It's getting hot. I'm probably gonna keep it at a 1.5 more often. I'm still gonna be woofing, but not as long. And when I do cut it down, like I said, I'm cutting it to a 1.5. My hair right now is dry. You guys don't see any shine in my waves at all. I haven't put any product in my hair. And I'm just gonna show you guys. Products make a difference, especially the shine and the look of your waves. So I'm gonna show you guys the difference. So the product that I'm gonna put in my hair is called Sweet Jamila. I haven't really done a full review on this product, and I will do that soon, alright? So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But I'm about to put some of this in my hair and see how the shine is. So whenever I put product in my hair, I always like to do a brush session. Don't just put product in your hair and throw on the do-rag, okay? Don't do that, okay? Get a brush session in if you're gonna put product in your hair. Let's go. Notice how I'm using my left hand to brush my left side. You guys gotta start using different hands, using your hands differently, you know what I mean? You gotta be able to use your right hand on your right side or your left hand on your left side. Don't stick to just using one hand. Be ambidextrous. I don't even know if I said that word right, but if I didn't, y'all know what I'm talking about. Is having the ability to use both hands. So make sure, sometimes you got to get uncomfortable to be comfortable. So make sure you work on that. Start using your left hand more if you're right-handed, and if you're left-handed, start working with your right hand. Being able to use your opposite hand comes into play on different angles or different sides of your waves. Like right now you see me, I'm using my right hand mostly on my right side, but when it gets over to this left side, you want to make sure you're able to use your left hand, because getting in this part of the area of my crown is, you know, tedious. You know, it needs to be able to, you know, you need to be able to brush it smoothly and not be in an awkward situation or awkward stance. This is one of my weaker areas that I have learned to brush more, and I end up perfecting it, you know, as I started, you know, showing more attention to it. So make sure you guys show more attention to your weak sides than other sides, because, you know, that will shift certain areas in your waves to move forward, and, you know, it will cause forks to move as well. So make sure you pay attention to your weak sides. Cutting low gives you an opportunity to basically know your flaws 100%. Know how you're supposed to be brushing. Because when the hair is low, that's when it's real visible, and that's when you're able to really tell, you know, which angles you should be brushing in. Because the waves don't lie. If I brush my waves this way, it's gonna be clear in my waves that that's not how I'm supposed to be brushing. So cutting low isn't always a bad thing. It gives you an opportunity to actually, you know, see how you're supposed to be brushing. And knowing your angles is everything, especially when it comes to connections. That's it, you guys. The product is nice, gives you a lot of shine. It also smells good. Don't be like me, okay? Don't be like me. And when I say don't be like me, I mean clean those brushes, okay? There's no excuse, okay? I don't have as much time as you guys have, so basically I don't clean my brushes because that AG method, you know, it works, but you have to wait till the next day when it actually, you know, is back, fully back. So don't be like me. Just clean your brushes. I mean, be clean, okay? Nobody wants a dirty brush, okay? When you wash your hair, you're putting that dirty brush right back on your scalp. Don't do it. Don't be me, okay? Don't be me at all. Don't do it. It's not worth it, okay? Hair health is more important. Hair health is definitely more important. But it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out here in the Bay, and I just had to say, you ain't got the answer, Sway. I do this almost every single day. I ain't your girl Felicia from around the way. I ain't even trying to talk like Lil Jon when he say okay. That's all I got. I thought I had more. I was thinking. Can you see me thinking? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chill.